Oh. Oh my God. That's what they were missing.
It's the Hill today on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
Yep.
That thing?
Yep, so I did a thing here. And it's something we've been talking about for a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and have Leon open it up. He has absolutely no idea what's in here.
Can't believe you didn't use your knife.
And it's also going to be something good for a video. Watch out, Ollie.
I want to follow the line too well. Oh shit. You got a motor for something. You ordered a pit bike.
Nope.
What the hell did you do, Joe? Okay, these are all intake pieces.
Just take that piece of freaking styrofoam off the top of it. Come on.
Oh shit.
So what this is this is the 3-speed 125 Tao Tao motor.
You got two of them.
Yep. One for you, one for me.
I'm putting one on the pit bike.
You can do whatever you want with yours.
Well, that 70 motor belongs to you, but the frame's mine. All right, let's get to it.
So they're brand spanking new. I got one. I'm going to put one on one of the Tao Taos. Now, I didn't know if you wanted to put it on Old Smoky.
No,
the pit bike.
She's shaft driven, and I don't want to be messing up a good motor.
Okay. The pit bike or the other Tao Tao. So, up to you.
This is yours.
Just so you know, guys, you're going to get a whole video about us freaking swapping motors on a couple things, and we're going to be trying out these Chinese motors.
Sorry about the language, guys.
It's all right. This is no longer a family channel. Well, he's still deciding, everybody. But I'm pretty sure he's going to put the motor on here.
I still think the pit bike, but Mark messed this thing up, man, when he wrecked. This thing's all lopsided and twisted.
You got a nice bent A-arm up here that I worked really hard to...
Stand back here, dude. This thing's twisted like this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. But that rack, to be honest with you, that rack up there was always kind of tweaked.
He twisted it. Oh, it's great.
Shifter that it came with.
And oh man, you could slice and dice a tomato with this bad boy.
Them burrs are gnarly. I have a whirly gig, so we can take them burrs off there.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Heel shifter, toe shifter. Ta-da.
You don't know all about that, Joe. I think I'm going to go with the regular toe shift.
There you go. With the level bevel.
That's one of the important polished heads and intake.
So Leon has got his motor out of the box.
It's a box.
And it's sitting on the workbench here.
Well.
And he wants to level bevel something.
Level bevel. You running off with motors and stuff.
Yeah, I'll move it over here for you.
Yeah. Well, I was going to put it on a pit bike.
He was going to put it on a pit bike. He might still.
Guess for the meantime.
We never know with this guy.
Oh no, I need support all the way through. Sit.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, they ain't very good at casting. I've seen some pretty gnarly stuff come from China that way. I wonder how the motor looks, though. What do you think?
You better be clean and shiny. Clean and shiny? Chinese.
Clean and Chinese.
Looks Asian to me.
Yeah. Okay. It's literally
Honda
a
clone.
It is a Honda clone motor. In case y'all were wondering, this is where we got the Hillbilly Honda name. Because, I mean, if you're a hillbilly, you get a Chinese Honda.
Old Smoky. Old Smoky.
Old Smoky. Guess you don't look that bad.
Good looking little motor.
All right.
And we'll see what happens in a couple hours.
Okay, so we went ahead here and picked up a nice lift for the shop. Things are getting a little crazy around here. I really one day dream of having a hydraulic lift that we can just pull a quad onto and lift it up. But we wanted to go ahead and get one of these just for now. Means we got a lot of stuff to work on. It's kind of funny. It matches the Warrior.
Everybody can see.
What do you think about that? That's been a long time coming, huh?
A long time coming.
Oh, heck yeah. It's lift time. Only thing I don't like about it is how high it goes up. It doesn't go up, but I mean, beggars can't be choosers, right? Doesn't look like there's much assembly to it either.
Put the handle in and go, buddy.
Heck yeah. Now we're lifting. I was laughing, so I was like, it matches the Warrior.
Yes, it does.
All right. So anyway, this is what it is right here. The ATV motorcycle lift. We're going to give it a day in court. Everybody said I should have got one of the lift tables instead, that they work better, but I figured why not? This was on sale.
Oh, and it's all nice and lubed in there?
Yeah.
Ready for penetration.
Penetrated.
Locked and secured, Captain. And this is to keep your handle locked in place.
Oh,
in
right
the
on.
down position.
Heck yeah. Well, it's official. It works.
She's locked in.
We're good to go. We can lift them up quick and easy now. Yeah. So, hey, we got a pretty interesting idea of what we're going to do, being as we've got these new motors, and we're going to put them on these, and the wiring's different. My buddy here had this brilliant idea.
Just take out the stators off of these old motors and put them in the new ones.
Put them in the new ones, which we never had any problems with the stators on these. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to try swapping one out, see if she plugs in and fires.
That's the plan.
So, hell yeah. I'm going to put you on a tripod, and we'll do some time lapse. All right, we got them apart here, and everything looks like this is going to work perfectly. So we're just going to go ahead and go for it. I'm probably going to put the neutral safety back in this one. Unless we start losing bolts.
We ain't losing nothing.
So yeah, what we decided to do is just swap the stators out on the motors, because this one has the wiring that we need. And then we'll have an extra stator we can bag up, put it in there.
Right.
I'm out your way.
Remember, this goes at the bottom.
What goes at the bottom?
This goes at the bottom.
Okay, you sure that's not the top?
It's not the top. Okay, we need to fill up.
Need to fill it?
We're about to stick it in this thing, and hopefully it'll run too.
Yeah, it's not too heavy, is it? I mean,
No, it's not bad.
yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and slap this little bad boy in there. It should all plug up now that we switched the coil over, which was exactly the same.
Exactly.
So if we can just get her in there, right? Are you going to need my hands, or you got it? All right. And then we're going to have to source the carburetor.
And we have plenty of them. Come on, Fender.
Which actually, there was a carb on there, wasn't there? We could probably clean that real quick. Yeah, look at that. Like it's meant to be. Except now, you got 3 gears. Heck yeah, bro. You're going to have to open up the mounts.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's fine. That's easy enough. We can hammer it in. Yeah, just this back mount, you gotta come my way. Let me put the shiny in that old beast.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, so you go here.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's got a new heart.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's kind of funny, you know.
See, this is the ground I was talking about.
Yep, that ground was on there, right?
Right there. And then I got to take the seat off for the ground for the batteries.
Well, I got to source you a battery too. Got some gasoline in there.
Well,
we're gonna see if she starts. Is it choked up? Oh, that battery shot. Might need to choke her up. Just lock it. Yeah, no problem.
oh, shit, wrong one.
I shut the lights off. Yeah?
Yeah.
And she revs all right? Oh, yeah. All right, shut her off.
Oh, do the lights do the flicker thing?
That's how you gas it. They always did.
Sure. Smells like a clean motor.
Okay, well, that's
good.
That's good. That means we need to drain the oil, put the new oil in it, and then zip tie that battery down. I'll throw the charger on it while we're sitting here.
Yeah, hell will charge itself and pull it by our side and let it run.
Yep. And then put some air in the tires, and we're going to go test it. All right. The Tao Tao concoction is almost complete. We've got to warm it up and then change the oil on it. Get that nasty Chinese oil out of there.
Burn the oil off the exhaust.
Yep. Get all that stuff done. And then, hopefully it'll warm up just enough for us to go out and test her out. Got some balls now. Oh, yeah, dude. All right, let's go get